some important MCQ based on electrolysis in ICSE board exam semester 1. The first question, what are is strong electrolyte, weak electrolyte, non-electrolyte, none of these. The answer B, weak electrolyte. Next question, the current flow electrolyte in due to movement of whole electrons, ions, more of these. Answer C, ions. Next question, dash is sugar, calcium, potassium. Answer B, sugar. Next, the solution of a substance which conducts electricity is called option A, an electrolyte, B, an insulator, C, a conductor, D, none of these. Answer A, an electrolyte. Next question, an electrolyte is a option A, metal, B, sugar, C, cell, D, liquid that conduct electricity. Answer D, liquid and conduct electricity. Next question, the next question, the particles present in strong electrolytes are only molecules, mainly ions, ions and molecules, only atoms. Answer B, mainly ions. Next question, sodium chloride is option strong electrolyte, weak electrolyte, non-electrolyte, none of these. Answer A, strong electrolyte. Next question, pure water consists almost of ions, atoms, ions and molecules. Answer D, molecules. An electrically charged atom is called an ion, a proton, an electron, a cyclotron. Answer option A, an ion. Next question, ionization is a dash process. Option reversible, irreversible, both A and B, none of these. Answer A, reversible. Next question, during the electrolysis of sodium chloride, that is NaCl, the gas discharged at the anode is chlorine, hydrogen, oxygen, none of these. Answer A, chlorine. Next question, identify the weak electrolyte from the following option: sodium chloride solution, dilute hydrochloric acid, dilute sulfuric acid, aqueous acetic acid. Answer C, aqueous acetic acid. Next question, the metallic electrode. Next question, the metallic electrode which does not take part in an electrolytic reaction, that is inert electrode. Option copper, silver, platinum, nickel. Answer C, platinum. Next question, what are the ions present in water? Option H and OH, H plus and OH minus, H2 and H2O. Answer B, H plus and OH minus. Next question, which metal is used in electroplating and to store food? Option nickel, Ni, tin, Sn, chromium, Cr, silver, Ag. Answer B, tin, Sn. The decomposition of liquid compound on passing an electric current through it is known as option electroplating, electrolysis, magnetic effect, electroresistivity. Answer B, electrolysis. Next question, for electrolysis, we use the compound which should be a insulator, conductor, metalloid, all of them. Answer B, conductor. Next question, ion discharge in electrolysis depend on the factor on relative electrode potential, concentration of ions, relative electrode charge, density of electrolytic. Answer C, relative electrode charge. Next question, in electrolysis of pure ionic molten compound, metals is found. Next question, in electrolysis of pure ionic molten compounds, metal is found. The next question, in electrolysis of pure ionic molten compounds, metal is formed at anode, cathode, inert electrode based on all aperture. Base of all apparatus. Answer B, cathodes. Next question, to prevent iron from corrosion, it is electroplated with aluminium, oxygen, zinc and copper. Answer C, zinc. Next question, electrolysis is the process in which a chemical reaction takes place at the chemical energy, electrical energy, heat energy, none of these. Answer B, electrical energy. Oxidation occur at cathode, anode, base, none of these. Option B is the right answer, anode. Next question, reduction occurs at cathode, anode, base, none of these. Right answer, option A, cathode. Next question, which of these is not an application of electrolysis? Answer rust, option rust removal, electroplating, making leather, manufacture of bridge. Answer option C, making leather. Next question, which pair of next question, which pair of electrolytes is not inert? Mercury and carbon, mercury and sodium, silver and carbon, copper and silver. Right answer, option D, copper and silver. Next question, the whole aperture of electrodes, electrolytics and vessels containing them is called option thermometer, electrometer, voltmeter, ammeter. Right answer, option C, voltmeter. Next question, complete the systematic equipment. Complete the systematic equipment set up for electrolysis is known as electrolytic cell, electrolytic circuit, electrolytic current, electrolytic process. Right answer, option A, electrolytic cell. Next question, patterns migrates to during electrolysis. Option A, electrodes, B, cathodes, C, anode, D, none of these. Right answer, option B, cathode. Next question, which electrode is inert electrode? Copper, iron, carbon, zinc. Right answer, option C, carbon. Next question, why ionic compounds cannot conduct electricity when they are solid? Option A, their electrons are not free to move. B, their iron. Option B, their ions are free to move. Option B, their ions are free to move. Option C, their ions are not free to move. Option D, their electrons are free to move. Answer option C, their ions are not free to move. Next question. What are the ions present in molten aluminum oxide? That is Al2O3. Option A, Al2 plus and O3 minus. Option B, Al2 minus and O3 plus. Option C, Al3 plus and O2 minus. Option D, Al3 minus and O2 plus. Option C, Al3 plus and O2 minus. Next question, which of these will act as a non-electrolyte? Option A, acetic acid. Option B, urea solution. Option C, dilute hydrochloric acid. Option D, dilute sulfuric acid. Answer option B. Answer option B, urea solution. Next question, a particular solution contains molecules and ions of the solute. So it is a option A, weak acid. Option B, strong acid. Option C, strong base. Option D, salt solution. Answer is the option D, salt solution. Next question, a compound which liberates lattice-bound gas at anode during the electrolysis in its molten state is option A, sodium chloride. Option B, cupric oxide. Option C, cupric sulfate. Option D, red bromide. Answer option D, red bromide.